Welcome to TSS Automotive, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles in the market. Today, we're diving into a unique and exciting topic at the 2026 Volvo S60 Truck. While Volvo has been a strong name in the automotive world with its premium sedans and heavy-duty commercial trucks, this new development bridges the gap between luxury and utility in an entirely new way. The 2026 Volvo S60 Truck is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Built on the trusted reputation of the S60 sedan platform, this truck merges the comfort and design language of a premium sedan with the capability and performance of a mid-size pickup. At first glance, it's immediately clear that this is not your average workhorse. The sleek, sculpted lines, signature Thor's hammer LED headlights, and the iconic Volvo grille make it stand out on the road. It looks like a luxury car up front, but the extended rear bed and elevated stance confirm that it's also designed for function. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo S60 Truck offers a choice of two powertrains. The first is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid setup, delivering a smooth yet responsive drive perfect for everyday use and light hauling. For those seeking more muscle, Volvo introduces a plug-in hybrid variant combining the same gas engine with a powerful electric motor. This setup produces over 450 horsepower, providing not only impressive towing capacity but also outstanding acceleration, taking the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds. This is performance with a purpose, ideal for drivers who want both eco-friendliness and muscle. Inside the cabin, Volvo doesn't hold back. The interior mirrors the luxury found in the S60 sedan, featuring high-quality materials like genuine wood, soft-touch plastics, and Nappa leather. The cabin is minimalist yet rich in technology, with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large vertically oriented touchscreen powered by Google's Android Automotive OS. Integration with Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store makes infotainment seamless and intuitive. Add to that a premium Bowers Wilkins sound system, and you've got an experience that feels more like a first-class lounge truck. In terms of practicality, the S60 Truck offers a well-designed 5-foot bed with multiple utility features. Volvo includes a power tailgate, built-in LED lighting, and a 120-volt outlet for tool or camp gear. The rear suspension is self-leveling, ensuring stability and rugged loading. For urban drivers or weekend warriors who want a stylish, capable truck without stepping into the realm of massive pickups, this is an ideal balance. Safety, of course, remains a core strength. The 2026 Volvo S60 Truck comes loaded with Volvo's latest suite of safety technologies. This includes pilot assist for semi-autonomous highway driving, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, a 360-degree camera system, and the updated city safety system that now detects more objects, including cyclists, pedestrians, and large animals. The frame and body have been engineered with Volvo's signature safety case technology, ensuring top marks and crash tests across the board. On the road, the S60 Truck drives more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup. The steering is precise, ride quality is smooth thanks to adaptive dampers, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even if highway speeds. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising down country roads, or towing a trailer on the highway, the experience is comfortable and composed. It truly feels like the best of both worlds. Volvo is targeting a new demographic with this model: urban professionals and families who want utility without sacrificing style or sustainability. With the growing interest in lifestyle trucks, the S60 Truck enters the market at just the right time. It's expected to be priced starting around $48,000 for the base hybrid version, with the plug-in hybrid topping out near $60,000. While that puts it in the premium segment, what you get in return is a truly unique and versatile vehicle. In terms of competition, the S60 Truck doesn't face direct rivals yet. While models like the Honda Ridgeline and Hyundai Santa Cruz offer crossover-based truck designs, the Volvo elevates the concept to a luxury level. It also hints at what could be a future trend of luxury automakers exploring the truck segment in creative ways. For those concerned about ownership and service, Volvo backs the S60 Truck with a 4-year/50,000 warranty and complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 3 years. The plug-in hybrid model also comes with a battery warranty of 8 years or 100,000 miles, giving peace of mind to early adopters of this innovative platform. As always, Volvo's attention to environmental impact is also present. The truck incorporates recycled materials in its interior, offers regenerative braking, and features an eco-drive mode that adjusts throttle response and climate settings to reduce fuel consumption. Charging the plug-in hybrid model can be done at home or any public charging station, and with a full battery, it offers an estimated 40 miles of pure electric range, perfect for daily commutes. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Volvo S60 Truck. It's a bold, unconventional move that shows Volvo's willingness to innovate and challenge market norms. Whether you're a city dweller who occasionally hauls gear, a family looking for space and safety, or a tech lover who values cutting-edge design, this truck is worth watching. Thanks for tuning into TSS Automotive. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos on new models, tech deep dives, and test drives. See you in the next one.